In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Proforma invoice or estimate in Zoho Books. Let's start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub in Zoho Books where you can access all the financial tools and reports you need to manage your business. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if this is your first time here. Now, from the dashboard, look for the Sales section. It's typically located in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Sales will bring up a new page where you can handle everything related to selling, like invoices, quotes, and more. In this case, we're interested in creating a new quote, so you'll want to click on Quotes from the options given. Now that you're on the Quotes page, look for the New button. Clicking this will start the process of creating a new quote. This quote can serve as a Proforma invoice or an estimate for your customers, detailing the services or products you intend to offer, along with the estimated costs. The next step is to choose the customer to whom you're sending this quote. If the customer is already in your database, you can simply start typing their name and select them from the list. If they're not already in the system, you might need to add them as a new customer first, depending on your settings. After selecting your customer, you will need to give the quote a specific quote number. This number is important for tracking and reference, so make sure it follows your company's numbering convention if you have one. With the quote number in place, the next screen will ask you to choose a quote date and an expiry date. The quote date is generally the date you're creating the quote, or Proforma invoice, while the expiry date is the date by which the customer should act upon it. This expiry date can help encourage faster decisions, which can be beneficial for maintaining cash flow and ensuring timely project starts. Now let's focus on the item table. This is where you list out what you're selling, the quantity, and the rate per item. Take your time to ensure each entry is accurate, reflecting exactly what is discussed with the customer. You can add as many line items as needed, including descriptions, product codes, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Once you've reviewed everything, it's time to click on Save and Send. This button is located at the bottom of the page and will save your work while preparing it to be sent to the customer. If you'd like to send the quote directly to the client via email, you'll be prompted to enter the email address. Make sure that any additional notes or terms of sale are also included in the quote to ensure all parties are on the same page. And there you have it. You've just created a Proforma invoice or estimate in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your business transactions and keep track of your financial activities with ease. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on using Zoho Books effectively.